going on, YouTube? Welcome aboard. We're just hanging out in the man cave here, as you can see. Just answer some questions for a little bit. This is too much growth. Doesn't feel real. Doesn't feel like I deserve it, really. Let me know if Halo's too loud. What up, hologram? How's it going? I've never had this many people subscribing a day. Notification squad, gang. What up, Jose? How's it going? What up? You guys get any good games?
Powering on. Mic off.
Powering on. Well, that was my headset. He's back. What up, Brandon? Brandon's back in the back, too. Yeah, playing Halo. We playing Infection? Yeah. What up, XT? Welcome aboard. Glad to have you. Just answering some questions, hanging out. We're going to go see Spider-Man in a little bit. But figured I'd hang out. What up, Albert? Eric, how's it going? I don't know. Have you guys seen the growth today? It's insane, man. It's insane. Just super grateful. Just super grateful for all the growth. Man, yeah, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Y'all see this? Hold on. Let me make sure I'm not going to get doxxed. I think I'm good. Y'all seeing this? Look at this. 3,600 people spend months to get that first. So quiet, but mic off was, yeah, I know. That was in the headset, so, like, this is insane. People spend months to get this. It's just, I don't know. I'm very grateful. It doesn't feel like real life. Doesn't feel like real life. Think we can find a job at tech companies in Austin? Of course you can. There's a lot of, there's, like, Amazon is there. Google is there. There's a lot of those kinds of companies there. Let me know. There's two people. I'm scared. Yeah. What up, Tristan? Welcome aboard. Ari, welcome aboard. I didn't even realize you had 93. Yeah, I don't know. It's insane, dude. It's insane. At this rate, I will be 100 and by Monday. I don't know. I don't feel like I deserve it, really. You ever take a minute just be like, I didn't have a plan, really. I didn't plan for this to happen. So, appreciate you guys for being here. "100% disagree with your view on certificates. You must have not read the rest of the sentence, because I said, unless it has to do with IT, AWS, or DevOps, certificates are useless. So read the other half of the sentence. I think dev certificates is what I said. Starting to feel like something was wrong with me. I really enjoy it. Yeah. 3 roles, 1 paycheck. Yup. Oh, look, who's there? Yup. Playing Halo 5, some Infection. You should play Super Fiesta. The only thing that I told him to do was like, please don't get me demonetized when you rage. Networking, that's IT. Found you on my recommended, so you're doing something right. I mean, I guess so. It's a Friday. Probably everyone's out busy, getting home from work. We're gonna go celebrate. First time here, excited to see you live. Cheap Wisdom, welcome aboard. Just hanging out with my boy Brandon here. He's visiting. He's on leave from the military, so hanging out for a little bit. Feel down wasted 4 years at university. Anything worth knowing I come across myself? Yep, that's how it goes. Josh, what's goody? Ace, how's it going? Just launched my first site on Heroku today, just about a page for a doctor. Hey, that's fine, dude. Love your content. Ian, I love you, man. Thanks for hanging out. Since you replied to my question, I think the real question is, do you understand what I'm learning? My progress has gotten a lot better. Yep. Albert, that's how it goes, man. You gotta ask those questions when you're picking up the code. What the heck? Era, what's up, man? How's it going? I don't really know how many viewers are here right now, but appreciate you for hanging out. What Halo game mode is your boy playing? He's playing Infection right now. I mean, I can zoom the camera in and just have it on me, but I figured I rarely ever use the man cave for what it is, Lance. I don't know. Cisco certs are not DevOps. Okay. I don't know anything about Cisco certs. I don't know anything about that kind of stuff. Once your dad gets monetized, what's your next big project? Monetization doesn't give him money. It just gives him that he has the ability to make money, I guess. I should put new dev QA. New dev. There we go. We have a lot of prospective failed attempts with software companies. Will don't. No, you don't got to donate. Mic is quiet and staticky. Hold on.
Auto shutdown initiated.
Oh my god. All right, please hold. Whoa, wait, hold on. So I tried to play music. Now I'm gonna get demonetized. How can we call in? We're not doing any call-ins. Well, we're just talking, hanging out on Friday. Just want to engage with you guys. Rip headphones users. Yep. Sorry about that. Yeah. I was just trying to play some music so it didn't turn off. Your first job. You're gonna lose 1K to give back to your parents? Yeah, dude. Who is that? I have friends. New Boo over. You like him? He's cute though, right? Gotta socialize once in a while. Utilize the man cave. I never play Xbox really, but figured we'd just play Xbox. Computer science or cybersecurity degree? Degree? I probably did the computer science degree. Are you using Unity? Nah, I'll use Unreal Engine. C++ is industry standard. C# is great for ASP.NET, but you know. Amit, what's up, man? Love your vids. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate the comment. Everybody's distracted by Halo in the background.
There you go.
How do I put on my resume I did work for local small businesses? Yeah, just put small business. Thanks for the channel. Going back to building this web app, but you're in the background for the hey, thanks Vincent, appreciate you. Howdy James, welcome aboard. Did I miss any questions? Finally caught a live while it was live. Matt, welcome aboard. Ask away. I try to answer all the questions that people ask. I don't want to be that guy that you got to donate to get, noticed. What you prefer, C# or C++? Tell your bro 1v1 him on Blood Gulch. I think I might have Master Chief Collection installed. Maybe. Does a more prestigious college give you a chance at a better job? No, not really. Only if companies care, which means it's a good old boys corporation, which means they value the name of a college over what you can do. HF Brody, dude, you've been here since day one, man. 100K around the corner. I don't know what to do with myself. How many Trilogy certificates do I need to get 100K plus salary? Approximately 4. Lance, I don't think so. Nicky, I think he's got a girlfriend and some kids. What are the rest of your goals for 2019? I guess we'll go for $1 million. If you think about it, when I had 10,000, I was like super excited. I was like, I'm 10% of the way to 100,000. Now if you think about it, it's like I'm 10% of the way to $1 million. What? Insane. Ever use React Material UI? No. So digital. I remember when he first started and how he's on the come up. Yeah, dude, I don't know, man. I finally feel like YouTube gave me a little love, just a little bit, not too much. It's okay. It's a niche, right? I'm in this weird niche. Let me know if Halo's too loud in the background. I'll turn the mic up. Just give me a sec. Dude, why aren't you answering my questions? I don't see any. Review my portfolio, patrickportfolio.com. Patrick, is that a legit portfolio? 4 hours into unscripted after hearing greatest read so far. Kyle, that is the book that single-handed. Well, okay, Crushing It and that book are what made me understand. Are you just camping back there? You camping?
Sneaky snake.
Patrick, is that real? Or am I going to get like a big ol' sausage on my monitor? I'll put it in there. Can't hear the game? Okay, good. Because I told him not to say the F word. Patrick, this is not real. If you were given your own Netflix show, what would it be about? Like, what would I make? I don't know. I've never thought a store. Wow, it is real. Patrick, this is dope. Hold on. So here's Patrick's. Didn't know Halo was still played. Halo 5 is great, dude. I love Halo 5. Warzone, that's good. Pretty good. You're making me click to get to your projects, though. Like, does it take me to the hosted version? Sure does. Looking smooth. GitHub repo. Nice, dude. Got a README. Everything looks good. I would probably just put GitHub repo and then just make that a link, Patrick, and then you'd be good to go. But, hosted version. Oh, Pet Finder. I mean, you were making this on LinkedIn. No, you're breathtaking. Keanu in the house. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Change your GitHub repo. GitHub repo can be found here. Just like take this link off and just make GitHub repo and then make that a link, or maybe just make it an icon. I think that'd be good. Patrick and I were gonna do a "This Is Not Real Life" video where Patrick is looking at like Steve Wright's remote video, because Patrick's been working remote. How's that remote life? I want a taste of your YouTube profits. Dude, I want a taste of my YouTube profits. Haven't gotten paid yet. You guys want to see the YouTube profits? I'll show you. It's pretty freaking crazy today, though. I don't know if it's updated. Yeah, it hasn't updated. It's updated on my phone. I want my cut of this channel. Well, unfortunately, I could teach you how to get your own, which I think would probably be more valuable. So if I look at my YouTube ad revenue right now, let me go back. So YouTube ad revenue says $7,311.76 on my phone. That's not bad. That's okay. What is that times 12? 7.3 times 12. 87.6K a year from YouTube. Not bad. Can I invest into your channel? No. If you're here and you enjoy the stream, maybe hit the thing. You want half the channel? Why would I give you that? Is that your brother? Y'all have similar elbows. We have similar elbows. You want to? Awesome. We're gonna bump elbows. Give me that elbow. Oh. Anyways, well deserved. Subscribe, yeah, dude. Yeah, subscribers are going. When did your channel boom? I don't really know. Since I started making videos with a certain thumbnail style and a certain speaking style, where I don't care so much about what I say, and I've noticed that when I used to be like politically correct in everything that I said, and I was so super focused on saying it right, rather than just saying it how I talk like a human, and then cutting it later. You'll see my guy this weekend. He'll swing by to collect. What do I get for the investment? Like, doesn't that mean? Remember that guy you interviewed who got the job even though before he knew what a back and front it was? How often do employers hire you like that? It depends. He had an in. He was already there for a while. Developer thing. Patrick, how's your Friday, dude? D420? Negative. I enjoy my lungs. Is Coding Dojo worth it? Alexia, Coding Dojo doesn't have a guarantee of any sort. Like, there's no ISA. There's no, if you don't find a job after 6 months, we give you your money back. That's my main thing, right? I don't say, like, they guarantee you a job at the end. I just want them to have you in mind financially, because if they don't have any skin in the game, that doesn't mean, like, it just shows to me that they're not willing to put up or shut up type deal. Like, we put our money where our mouth is. You're going to give us money. We're going to make sure you're learning something that's going to give you a job type deal. No, I don't think so. I don't think it has a guarantee, so no. Let's make fun of work from home vids. No, so it's going to be This Is Not Real Life, where we look at Steve Wright's video of working remote, except This Is Not Real Life will be crossed out. 23-year-old software dev and LLC owner just subbed a few days. Like the vids, agree with what you said regarding horrible dev jobs. Second dev job, and thankfully I only work 4 hours a day. Dude, you're living that Tim Ferriss life, dude. Well, 4 hours a week is a Tim Ferriss life. Devin, what's up, man? Let's make fun of Patrick. I'll give you 45 boxes. Look. This sounds like a multi-level marketing thing that I did not sign up for. And if I want multi-level marketing, I'll go on LinkedIn, where people will happily blow up my DMs. I was so confused I couldn't see anyone but the guy on the left because the comments was covering you up. What?
Wait, what?
What? Josh, life has hit you hard. So which bootcamp do I suggest? I mean, you know what I'm going to say, right? But I'm not. Okay, look, I'll say Lambda School because that's where I would go if I had to go now. That's where I go. Don't use the link if you think it's about money. If you had to pick something, just do something with a guarantee. Something that has an income share. Okay, can't say that because some income share agreements suck. Like Flatiron's income share agreement sucks. Like, pick something that's like if you don't get a job within 6 months, they give you all your money back. What's the biggest difference between self-teaching and a coding bootcamp? Coding bootcamp takes role. Make sure you show up. Make you do projects. You got someone to ask. Self-teaching, you don't have anyone to ask. Trippy Red? No, I got a little Uzi on right now. Never heard of it. Could you still game after work? I mean, 12 hours a day on PC isn't little. What do you mean? Could you draw me like one of your French girls, Josh? Absolutely, Patrick. I will draw you some za. No more za. Would you recommend in-person or boot camp or online? I think, I don't know. I don't think in-person benefited me. Specifically, if anything, in-person just made me more insecure because I look around and I see everyone coding and typing and I'm like, I don't get it. And then when I get up to go ask for help, I'd be like, can I get help? And they're like, hold on, I'm doing this. And I'm like, really? So it didn't really matter. If you're an oh, thanks for the 10, by the way. Hopefully I said that. Real good people, you can trust them? Okay. Lance, I'm looking forward to it. If you're an LLC owner, do you put that you're owner or developer on your resume? If you put owner on your resume, okay, definitely don't put CEO. If you have an LLC, don't put CEO. That is the dumbest thing you can do. I put that on Tinder because it's hilarious, but don't put CEO and don't put owner. They're gonna know that your main hustle is not for them, and they want someone whose main hustle is gonna be making them money, not where you know. Do you really read comments? I've been here since you were 17K. Dude, I read all the comments, and I respond to every single comment that I can. I go lay in bed at night, and I scroll through my phone, and I make sure to heart every comment, and then I respond to everyone. Huh, you heard that? I'm like 14. I'm like 14, Rick. Shut up, Morty. Speak du Deutsch. Nah. 9. Graham, what up? I'm patiently waiting for him to throw the console at the TV. Yeah, please don't do that. If you're feeling like you're about to rage with the Super Fiesta, just let me know. I'll pick up the controller. You could take over the stream. What's up, Tyler? Welcome aboard. Alexi, I don't know if that helps. Just realized you were 93K at like 40K 2 weeks ago. No. I was at 63K 2 weeks ago. Is an IT degree worth anything? I think when most people think of IT, they think of like you plug in desktops for a living. What's your friend's name? Staff Sergeant Captain America. Yeah. Is my friend. I have friends in real life. King, what's up, man? Welcome aboard. Yeah, so this is like the stream of a mullet, right? Like business up front. Here I am giving you information. Party in the back. You watch some Halo 5 if you want to watch Twitch, I guess. Let the other guy run a stream for 5 minutes, see how it goes. We did that yesterday. What's new? What's up, man? What are you doing stealing everyone's ideas? You need to respect the You can't own ideas, Patrick. You cannot own an idea. It's all about execution. Everything is about execution. You and I can have the same idea. Whoever executes better wins. That's the idea of a race. You know, they're all in NASCARs. Whoever drives the car better wins. Execution wins. Cannot own an idea. Doggos, what up? Yep. What are your thoughts on Linux? I don't know. Dude, I miss Halo. Halo 5 is good. I'm going to play Halo Reach on PC maybe. Maybe. You can own a trademark. Can't own an idea. Udemy courses were? It depends. What do you think of Code Academy? It's okay. Gloria, you want to know some funny stuff? It's not actually Code Academy. It's Code Academy. There's no A there. MacBook or Dell? Windows. It's 4 a.m. Why don't you sleep? It's 7 p.m. I hit a golf ball 290 yards today. Dude, nice. You still on vacation? I want to go on vacation and get paid. What would you rather know? When or how you end? I mean, probably how. How's your motorbike? Dude, it's going good. Code Academy. Yep. Josh, do you 420 and have you tried
You get asked that like all the time.
the cocaine? Nah, no, sorry. I prefer to keep things straight edge. Okay? I can taste 100K. Dude, it's crazy. It's absolutely... It's just, I don't deserve it, man. You want a Windows PC? Almost all businesses are .NET. What? Josh, we're in the same time zone. We're basically brothers. Pretty much. Pocket is Devin. Yeah, I know. Devin Pace is Pocket. 10 a.m. stream. What up? Trying to humble brag about his bad golfing. What are your thoughts on Xamarin? Does it make sense to go the C++ route? Xamarin is C#. Are you Spanish? No hablo español.
It's so random.
Can you open the curtain a little more so I can see inside better from my place? Aaron, you can come on in if you want. Thanks, Patrick. How are you making so much money on YouTube when you only get a few thousand views per video? I don't know. I don't do anything. My GT is Gene Pockets. Where do I find CSS layouts? All these design examples, but I don't know how to code the designs. The example videos I find aren't really real life. Okay, so go to templated.co. Get one of those and look at the CSS file and the Sass file. Adam, what's up, dude? Welcome aboard. Does your friend's skill in the military make him better? Do you feel like you're a better Halo player because you can shoot guns in real life, Brandon?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely. He says yes.
I get destroyed on Halo.
No, you don't.
No, thanks.
My calculations say you'll have 102 subs by your birthday. Hey, that'd be cool. But according to today's calculations, I'll have 100,000 subs on Monday morning. Why you hate C#? I don't. There's just not a whole lot of use. You doing good after becoming a YouTuber or something? I don't know if doing good is the... I mean, it's not... I don't know if this is sustainable. Yeah, I'm having a nice little 15 minutes of fame here, but I don't know if it's sustainable. I don't know if my content will continue to be what people want. But you know what I am? I'm grateful for this opportunity to take a moment and just like close my eyes and just be like, wow, this is really great for a second. I appreciate you guys. I've posted over 500 videos, and just recently did they start to matter. Who do you watch on YouTube? Oh man, depends. Am I in like ASMR mode right now, or what am I looking at? That's the question. Did my light just die? Oh, it just got dark out. Okay. Let me look up my subs on my phone here. Can you not C#? That's a good one. This fingerprint on my S10 doesn't work like most of the time. Let me look. Are you a tequila guy? I don't drink. That's not really my thing. Let me look at my subs. I'm trying to find them. How do I find them? Subscriptions. I got Bellular Gaming for WoW on here. Cody Co. Pay Money Wubby on here. Leon Lush. Badlands Chugs. I know you guys saw that dude drink that slushy. Carl Rock. D for Darius. Roberto. I got John Samas. Gary V. Thomas DeLauer.
That was at 4 minutes.
Huh? Yeah, put it on 400. I got Mati Hapoya, Tucker Gott, Peter McKinnon, Caleb City, Brackies, what else? Matt Diavella, Yo Elliott. I mean, I don't know, just regular stuff. Red Giant, Dan Locke, Report of the Week. Who else I got in here? Elliot Holst, right? Yeah, I got him. I got a lot of subs. I mean, I don't watch a lot of... I got Hickok 45 on here. I don't know if you guys know what that's about. Have you ever written Rust? No. Hey man, it's still worth learning Ruby? Not in my opinion. D420? No. Does your friend know how to program? No. Do you live alone? Like, why lock your phone? In case I drop my phone, because you could steal my wallet, take my wallet, and take everything in there, but don't steal my phone. Because now you got 2FA right in your hand. Oh, you need to reset your password? Great, my email's on here. Oh, it's 2FA, you need to send a text? Great, you're holding my phone. I lock my phone always. Inside Quest, Tom Bilyeu, Justin Odisho, Film Riot, was it Hodge Twins? Armando, I don't know. I got a lot more film stuff in here. Casey Neistat, Dan Mace, Jeff Nippard, Vsauce, ILM Visuals, Grant Cardone. I mean, just regular stuff. Why is it so quiet? Because there's Halo in the background. I don't want it to be. Hello, I'm listening. Hello, press F to, I'd like to just, if you're here and you're new to the channel, just go ahead and shoot me a question. I try to get to everyone except for I was reading my phone there. Review Bra? Dude, I love Review Bra. William Schroeder, the best language is Lisp. I personally prefer Sid the Sloth from Ice Age. That's the best Lisp. It's not your typical Lisp. It's the Sid the Sloth Lisp. That's the best language, in my opinion. Nick Nimmin for channel growth. I mean, I don't know. I think I'm doing okay. I think a lot of people talk about how to do YouTube, but that's what their whole YouTube channel is about. Their whole YouTube channel is about how I do YouTube and how I grow YouTube. But like, what else do you do besides talk about how to do YouTube while you do YouTube? What are your thoughts on Next.js? I don't have any real thoughts. You watch UFC? Not really. What's your phone model? It's an S10 Plus. The gun sprinting swing look really derpy. I think it depends on which one you're holding. You ever seen those like Roberto Blake? Like, I'm subscribed to Roberto Blake, and he's like, I make videos about how to make videos. I talked about how I got my first 100,000 subscribers while I got my first 100. Like, what do you do? What's your actual skill set, you know? Do you even YouTube? Not really. How much hate did you get from corporate cringe today? You gotta wait for it. Just leave it in there, or it'll dry. Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you're good. GraphQL worth learning? Yes, I think so. Is PHP MySQL worth going all in? Yes. Learn Laravel with that. That'd be all right. Is going to boot camp right after high school recommended? I'd do that. Experiencing computer science? I don't know. How often do you use PHP at work? JBiz. PHP at work? I used it at basically all my jobs except for my last one. Is there good opportunities in IT and tech in the USA? Of course, yeah. Making a business, showing how to people to make a business. Showing how to people. You familiar with the Gambino family? Are you familiar with the Gambino family? Hey, look, I'm part of the mafia, all right? So I'm familiar with the Gambinos, the Gottis, the St. Lucias. I know all the people in the mafia, all right? So you go ahead and send your boys to my door. I'm sure they're real trustworthy, all right? Is TypeScript worth learning? Yeah, it's like those channels that are just like, here's how, like video influencers is one of those channels. It's like, what did you do before you had like 400,000 subs? Did you make videos about how to make videos, and what gives you the credibility to tell people how to do this? I don't know. Game dev versus web dev? Game dev is super saturated. Well, it's not super saturated. It depends on what game, I guess, and it's super overworked and underpaid. No video series. Josh does accents. You mean new video series? What do you prefer, building mobile apps in? I don't know. I don't build mobile apps. Are you interested in machine learning? Yeah, a lot of math, though. Not a lot of time. So do you know how to make pepperoni pizza? Look, I'm actually happen to be making pizza right now. Worst impression ever. Hey, I appreciate you, man. Thanks for the nice compliment. Can we hear yours? I'd like to hear yours. How do you know when you're job ready? MX, you're not going to know. Maybe I should make another one. How do you know when you're job ready? I'll make that. New video. How do you know? That'd be a good video for 2019 version. I know a guy that worked on Mortal Kombat that hates this. Yeah, so the thing is, like, everybody wants to work on their favorite video game. I'd want to work on Halo 6. What's the matter for you? What does that mean?
What's the matter with you?
Would you move abroad? Where? I don't know. I'd probably go hit up Norway, maybe Poland. Poland's got really hot chicks. Why does everyone want to ask if I 420? Because I don't. I do not 420. You go do you, though. You 420 all day if that's what you want. Your face looks lobsterfied. Well, I mean, there's this red light coming up there, and I have the saturation turned up, and I have this really bright light, which I could turn off. Maybe I'll turn on some glowy light here. I don't know. I'm probably a little sunburned, too. How much do you sleep at night? I don't know, a few hours, 4, 5, 6 hours. We'll just do Josh does accents.
Game dev is a major dice throw. You put in a ton of your own resources without a guaranteed reward. You also need a team if you're not good at some side of it.
You have a lot of lights. Yeah, I mean, I'm a YouTuber. I got lots of lights. I got one here. I got one actually behind him that turned off. I got one here. My window's open. Freelance or web agency?
Well, personally, Omar, I'd probably go with freelance, so you have full control.
Best camera for beginning YouTube? Your phone. If I had to start YouTube right now, the only thing with your phone is that you can't see if you're in the shot unless you're using the front camera, but the front camera sucks. Is that a Razer logo light behind you? No. This? This right here? This is just my mouse pad. Dude, I'm from Poland. Don't recommend it apart from the women. Yeah, but if you had American dollars and you lived in Poland where it's super cheap, I mean, I don't go there. I don't want to go there to like live there. I just want to go there, hit up some chicks, take them on some dates. You know, I'll teach you English, a few other things. How'd you land your first freelance job? I mean, I just walked in and I was like, hey, can I talk to the owner? They're like, what? And I was like, yeah, I'm a satisfied customer. I was like, I really appreciate what you did and blah, 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 blah. Is that rum? What are you drinking? Well, everyone says that my streams are sponsored by Pepsi, but they're not. That curtain? Yeah, I need a new curtain rod. Favorite movie? Oh, man, I don't know. Probably something with like Pirates of the Caribbean or James Bond or some Marvel movie. Probably Iron Man series, except for the third one. You should do if you don't know how startups try to overwork you and say you're part of a small team family. Yeah, the tech family aspect is something I want to talk about. I have an email. In the email, when I first got my first job, they're like, welcome to the company family. I almost said the name, but Diet Pepsi, ew. Lance, you want to like hang out, man? I don't understand how you're so hyper. Replace a curtain rod, mechanical dad. I'm not that dumb. Don't laugh, Brandon. Diet Pepe. Yep. Favorite VR game? We played Pavlov yesterday. That was fun. There's like this 1v1 gun game in Pavlov. That was pretty cool. Pepsi Zero. I don't think they make that anymore. You sleep 6 hours. How do you stay awake for so long? I mean, I don't regular. Oh, wow. Deus Pingu hits me with the A20. Australian Dolaros. Thanks, man. My first contract work, build a PHP web portal. They went out of business a couple years later. What? Water gang. Gang. Do want to hang out. You live around the corner from Elmont Drive. Where's that? Can you view my updated resume? Yeah, Ray, send it over. I don't do anything now. I'm pretty straight edge. I don't know. I have a lot of motivation, I guess. Patrick beat his dono. I guess technically. Thank you for the 20 days. I appreciate that, man. Hope you guys are having a good Friday. What is a good amount of time to spend at a job? So I'm going to say about 6 months. Or I'm going to say if you have to take a job that you hate, you should probably be still applying to jobs. Like, always apply to jobs. Even when you get that job offer, you still, as soon as day one, still be shooting out jobs. Because you might get that job and it might seem amazing. It might seem like the best job ever. And you get to work on day one and you're like, oh, wow, what did I get myself into? So don't just like, I got a job, I'm going to stop. You always want to have options, man. Like, go get a job, work there. And if you only work there for 3 weeks, don't even put on your resume. Just take the other job. How long do coding gigs last? I mean, that's kind of up to you. Is that Halo 3? That's Halo Guardians, Halo 5. What are you playing?
Halo 5.
Oh, you playing Warzone?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Are there any YouTubers you're currently hoping or trying to collab with? I think Casey Neistat would be cool, but he's a really hard guy to get in touch with. Gary Vee, I'd just like to say thanks. I don't know. Whenever I look at YouTubers that I watch and I see that I look at my channel, I'm like, wait, if I leave a comment If I leave a comment on this video, they're going to get a special notification on their phone that says this guy commented. It's really weird. Once you reach, I think it's above 20,000 subscribers, if you leave a comment on someone else's channel, they get a special little notification on their phone that shows a little gear icon, like this prestigious person has messaged you or whatever. It's weird. It's weird to think that if I comment on people's stuff with my account, it'll like give them a notification on their phone, which is, I don't know. It's weird to think about that. The people I watch, I'm catching up to. It's so strange. I don't feel like I deserve it. The D. Yeah, Casey doesn't make a whole lot, but he you know, he's motivational. I think he's just busy with life. Gary V, I'd like to say thanks, but he's busy with life, you know, telling people to build brands and then Facebook ads and stuff. But, I mean, I don't know. Comment on my channel. Devin will do. Go sub to Devin's. Native script or React Native? Probably React Native. But are you okay with so amount of sleep? Don't you sleep like 12 hours on Sunday? You can't really make up sleep. Wow, why? One free portfolio review live on stream. Give to someone you think is worthy or hold a competition raffle. All right. Will do. Joshua Fluke. Faces 3. Yeah, okay. Lance, I don't understand. You want to play some Halo, bro? Pingu, thanks, man. Must be Friday's payday, right? I appreciate that, dude. Thanks, man. Hope you're... I don't know why. I don't deserve the donos, but all right, man. Don't choose me. Yeah, so someone tossed... I think Rayman asked, right? Rayman said, hey, will you review it? So if you're still there, you want me to review some portfolios, I'll do it. Well, I mean, so Pingu was being super nice, right? So like, let's do 2 free instead of just 1. Let's do 2. So you guys got a portfolio. Let's review it on stream. Toss it up. What thought was trying to impress with that Backstreet Boys haircut from 10 months ago? What are you talking about? Don't laugh, Brandon. Shut up. That's not funny. Chris, that's not fair. You can't make him laugh. You want to play Pavlov? All right. Python or R? Probably Python. Have you taken a Myers-Briggs test? Yeah, I think I'm an INTP. I'm an introvert, definite introvert, but I'm not that weird. Like with people out in public, like I'll shake your hand, like what's up, man? Put my arm around you, like I'm pretty normal. I used to be real weird though. How do we send portfolio? Just paste the link. You want me to review the portfolio? Just paste it in the chat and we'll take a look. I'm sure your hair is spectacular. Who's your best singer? I don't know. INTJ, yeah. All right. INTJ, INTP, one of those. It's one of those. I'm introverted. Ever worked with the Raspberry Pi? Not yet. I saw them on sale at Best Buy the other day. That's cool. I'm like an introverted extrovert. Patrick is hilarious. Patrick is like... I emailed to you? Okay. Can you paste it here? Or I'll look on my email, I guess. Wow, what? What is going on here? You want me to review your resume? Alright. Just once. Okay, so first of all, your resume is coming up as 2 pages. You can't see the details, but you can see that it's 2 pages, right? Website. Organize your skills. Organize your skills. You got back-end, front-end, operating systems. What about agile and stuff? Projects. You need links to your projects. Website. Put that at the top near your name. LinkedIn, put that at the top near your name and shorten the links. Just put icons that link. Employment history, that's fine. That's what I would say, Juan. All right, so Malcolm, I got you, fam. Let me pull that up here. Please don't be a sausage on my screen. Thank you. All right. So Pingu, thanks, man. I'm gonna... All right. So we got... This is kind of hard to read. How's it scale? Oh, nice. It's sticky. That's cool. About skills, portfolio, contact. Are you trying to have YouTube as your only source of income? No, having one source of income in general is really, 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 really bad. Josh, don't tell Devin that I'm avoiding. Okay. Did I miss any questions? What percentage of recruiters? James, all of them. Hello, my name. Okay, so nope, don't take this away. Take this away. I've realized programming is more of the syntax No. My learning has never stopped. Every day I'm trying to learn new languages. All right, so I would use this one last sentence. Every day I'm trying to learn new languages. Everything else, take it away. Take it away. Since I began learning web development in 2017, you're giving away all the secret sauce, Malcolm. Don't give away the secret sauce, man. They don't need to know that you started in 2017. They just need to know what you can do. All right? Take this off. Skills. No, you don't need this section. Delete this section. This is what you have a resume for, man. Goodbye. About me. Let's see. Oh, it's just a giant P tag. Okay, here, look. This is what you need. Right there. That looks good enough for me. But I would still put this about me below, down here below your projects. You have front-end repo. Is there a hosted version of this, Malcolm? I want to be able to find this. Don't make me look at this repo. Making me look at the repo. It shouldn't be 2 pages. Well, I don't think that this does anything, and I can barely read this. So I think this would look cool. And then right below this. So honestly, if I want to get real, you know, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to. Wow, it's not going to work. Oh, wow. All right, well, I'm going to do it then. There you go. This is what, click the title. How am I supposed to know to click the title? You shouldn't have to tell me to click the title to be able to find a hosted version. You should just have a button that says hosted version. Because you have a button here for front-end repo, so wouldn't you have a button for hosted version? Because I wouldn't know to mouse over this at all. And as you can see, I'm trying to click on this, click on this, click on this. So this is what I would do, honestly. Leave this and have a button that says, like right here, that says projects, and then it scrolls me down to your projects. And then I had the button right here. Let's get in touch. You should make a button that's a mail to, not maybe have that there. I'm not trying to be a douchebag. I'm just trying to be like actually constructive here with this. So you have a skills portfolio. Yeah, all I care about, honestly, all I care about is just this stuff right here, dude. Contact. Yeah, I don't. Maybe just have a contact. Maybe have this be a button. Clicking the title is a hidden Easter egg. I'm gonna call you, Devin. Call me up. What? Wait, what? Hold on. Brandon Lamb hits me with why, dude? Thanks, man. Well, I mean, I appreciate it. This is so crazy. Wow. Thanks, dude. I was just so confused. I think the static was my video capture device, which would be this up here, which is what you were hearing. Sorry about that. Brandon, thank you, man. Dono train. Yeah, I mean, that's what. Wow. Thanks, Brandon. I don't know what else to say, dude. Thank you. Humbling. I can't hear you. I don't know why you can't hear me. You should be able to hear me. Turn up the. What's the stream delay? I don't know. I don't know if I have a huge stream delay or not. I'm trying to turn up the volume but I don't want it to peak. We're all gonna make it. Yeah, we're all gonna make it. You guys will get those jobs. I mean, I don't know, dude. I don't feel like I deserve it. What the heck? Would programming physics be a good niche to learn? Anthony, I think that's gonna be very pointed towards game dev. You'll probably be making a lot of physics engineers in game dev. But thank you again, man. Pingu. I need one other portfolio to review, dude. Malcolm, I wasn't trying to be a douchebag, by the way. I'm sorry if it came off that way. I just really want it to be simple. Don't make me hunt. And you don't need your about, to be honest. Yeah, that's what your cover letter's for. Patrick, stop avoiding me at your front door. Let me in. Dude, I want to go see Patrick's place. It's like you're in my living room now. Hey, thanks, man. I would feel really guilty also. Yeah, it's, I don't understand. But Brandon, for your lead software, I appreciate that, dude. I'm very humbled and, I mean, for everything, mainly. It's crazy, dude. I mean, I'm thinking about doing resume reviews tomorrow, or maybe this is not real life, or maybe a company family video. I'm not sure. Hello, you're awesome. Is it wrong for me to start with Python? No, you can do Python, but typically you'll want to start with HTML, CSS, JS, because it's just the most, like, look, man, if I right, well, it's already open. So if I right click on a page and I go to inspect, you see this here. You see it, and you got all the HTML in here. I can go to sources. I can see the CS that's in here. It's minified, so it's not very readable, right? It's just this one huge long line of CSS. And then down here, you can also see this minified JavaScript file. And so that's why you learn these three first. Someone else link a what's the word? Portfolio. Never felt angrier working for a company in my life. Yeah, man. I mean, if you really want to, that's how I write code. You just one long line. No tabs or spaces when you have one line, right? That's how it works. Devin, thank you for the 10. I don't know why you're doing that, but you're on vacation, right? Pingu donated. Got that Australian money. Oh, the pretty pink button in the bottom right. So you want me to, I think that unminifies it, right? So like this. Yeah, there you go. Now it's unminified. There you go. So here's the CSS. Have a money tree in the back. Like you have a job tree where jobs grow, little jobbies. Someone link a portfolio. Yeah, I clicked it. I don't know if this will work. Yeah, this is kind of, yeah, it's still minified, but yeah, whatever. Oh, urine. Okay, yeah, I gotcha. Make sure I don't get doxxed. Thank you for all the donations, guys. I appreciate it. I'm not sure. Jump on the dono train. Rayman, thanks, man. Hopefully did you get my resume? Hopefully you heard that feedback. Do you plan to make a video in the future on languages that are more used in remote jobs? Okay. There's a lot of Rails jobs that are remote. Rails is Rails, right? Rails is older. Oh, it's hit or miss, you know? Rails is good, and then just most regular stacks. But there's not like a specific... So like a lot of people don't want to work older languages. They want to do the new hotness. And so to counter that, they offer cool perks. Most of the time it's remote. Sometimes it's a higher salary. You listen to audiobooks, but any programming related books. I don't think listening to programming books would do a whole lot. Where are you going right now? ML, front end, what do you want to learn? Game dev or Arduinos. Alec hits me with the 888. Thanks, man. Alec, I appreciate you. You didn't have to donate 888 for me to say I appreciate you, but I appreciate you. If you're here and you enjoy the stream, maybe hit the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. It does help the videos. Leave a comment for the algorithm, but please don't put comment for the algorithm. Please don't do that. Please don't do that, chat. Just leave a comment on the live stream. Just say something like whatever you want, but besides comment for the algo, because YouTube's gonna get pissed. Ever had any experience with Salesforce? So you're on your link didn't work. I'm at a 404. Can you link it without the dot? I'll unhide it. So happy to be here, Jennifer. Appreciate you. You're always here. I don't know what you're doing, but happy to have you. I don't know how you're here. Oh no. Dogs. What are you gonna do when you reach 100K? Well, I mean, I don't know. Is YouTube printing my silver play button right now and sending it because they are estimating when I'm like, I don't know. What I thought I would do when I hit 100. Christian, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Christian. I thought I'd give you a little bit of feedback here because reasons. Hey, look, we all have our reasons for the way we are.
Oh, it's IO, but you put .com. I copied and pasted. Hey Sue, how you doing? You having a good day? You want to go on a car ride, don't you? That's what you're waiting on, huh? Yeah. I thought it would be... I thought it would be cool to... watching a guy make a silver play button. That's cool. Our kids.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
I what was I gonna say? When I get 100K and I get the silver play button, I wanted to cut it up into a bunch of little pieces and hand it out to people because it doesn't belong to me. It belongs to you guys. That's what I wanted to do. And as cheesy as that is, one up. Oh, Brandon. Oof. Hits me with the questionable numbers. That's the devil's money. How would I turn something creative like a drawing into something that earns money? Yeah, well, so you could make an Etsy store. Drawings, you need to find the right target. But maybe instead of drawing something and then trying to sell it, is you go to someone that wants something made, or draw something of them or something for them, and then maybe try to sell it. Where's this guy from? Are you talking to me? Like this guy? Or this guy? I don't know. I just wanted to, like... I subscribed to you like 6 times and I want my wife's... Put the silver play button up here. That could be cool. I paid $10. Can you draw a picture of me and Patrick holding hands? Alright. I'll do it for you. Anything for you, Devin. And then send it to me. Draw for commission, network, get known with it. Yeah, I mean, you could do that. A great way to think. A good way to get started with arts and drawing is to DM people drawings for free on Instagram. Find an Instagram that you really like, draw something for them or make a video for them and send it to them, like maybe of them, and then maybe have them repost. Be like, hey, I really like what you're doing. Here's a drawing I made of you. You can post it if you want, but I just wanted you to see it. And do that to a bunch of people. And then maybe one of them will repost. You know, don't ask for it. Don't be like, hey, I made this, please shout out. Or you like, don't be that guy. That's lame. Just do it because you want. Like I thought about making a Gary V compilation or something like that, where I'd send it to Gary V of like all these cool moments that I thought, and being like, maybe he would shout me out or want to meet or something. And let me pull up the drawing. It'll be more than 100K. I think it might be. It might. Oh man, why? Draw me like one of your French girls. Can I just draw all of you on here? Thank you, Brandon. What is going on? Oh my. Oh no. I'm so confused. Thank you, Brandon. Please stop. Please stop with it. That is the cutest dono ever. I don't know. I think this would be Pocket. Pocket has a beard right now. So Devin, this is you and your beard and your little... I think you got blue eyes. Devin, I need to know what you look like. Or Brandon, I need to know what you look like. We'll probably give you give you a little neck here. You have wide shoulders, I guess. That's what my hand just decided. There. I'm trying to answer questions at the same time, but maybe, I don't know, we could pick your nose or something. And then we'd give him some hair, some blonde hair. You got to put the pinky in there, right, Devin? That's how you pick your nose? At least 140K at this rate. Look at all the people that left the live stream. Fantastic. Patrick. So Patrick will be here. He'll hold your hand. And then over on this arm, he'll have a flat hand like this. Looks more like a stump, but whatever. Here. As you guys can tell, game art is my actual thing. What music do you listen to? Right now I'm listening to High Road the Hero. I think Patrick's got some blonde hair and mohawk here. And we're going to give Patrick a pizza box. So he's going to have a nice... right here. It's going to be flipped open, obviously. And it's going to have some steam coming out. And I think Patrick has blue eyes. I don't remember. And There you go. There you go. Okay, so, oh, I forgot your body. I think we'll give you a little bit of a beer gut. Give you that little gut there, even though you were like a skinny little dude. Here. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Patrick, I hope you're here. Patrick's not here anymore. Devin, text Patrick. Show him this. I can't do that, Neil. I'll probably get demonetized. See, that's what I get for trying to show your comment. Guys, I'm going to head out here in a minute. I have to. My oven is on, and I have to make some food before I go see Spider-Man in a little bit. So, Sergeant Ellis, you got an idea of brand being tossed around in my head and got an idea how to generate traffic. Thanks for all the advice. Dude, thanks. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for commenting. I hope that your LLC works. Be sure to make it an S Corp if you make enough money. What am I listening to? See, right now I got Keanu Reeves. What else I got? London on the Track. Drake. That's a good one. Put that on a shirt. Okay, hold on. We have to go straight up shill mode, I guess. Grind reel, right? And then I take this and I put my little... And that's the grind reel symbol, right? There you go. Thanks for the background noise with these live streams. ZP, thanks for the 5. I hope your Friday's doing all right. He on here roasting the whole Discord server. Do you stream often? I try to stream every day. It's called Daily Stand-Up. I try to stream often for at least like an hour. I want to engage with you guys. I want to answer your questions. I want to answer your comments. Hey man, I live in Utah. I saw your videos. I work for one of the companies you mentioned in your cringe videos. Good stuff and good advice. Parker, can you get some inside footage for us? I'll put it in. Is it really like that? Shoot me some inside footage. Did you just get snacks?
No.
What you got there?
A hot dog wrap.
A hot dog wrap? We're about to eat food. Okay. He's having the food before the food. I want to donate. How can I? You don't need to donate, man. I got enough today. Stop the donos. I'm appreciative for everything. I don't know. I wasn't prepared for this. I wasn't prepared for 100K. I wasn't prepared for 90K. I wasn't prepared for any of this. Marines need lots of food, and that's correct. Can you give a thumbs up? Brandon.
Oh.
Thumbs up. 17% of 50K is 8.5K minimum. Yeah, I mean, but it's 9 months compared to 3 months or 6 months. Some of the best content I found on YouTube in a while. Connor, I appreciate you. Is object-oriented programming bad? No, it's pre-dinner. HF gets it, yeah. How long should you spend learning ES6? Learn what you need. Probably learn map, reduce. Map's not really ES6. Maybe let. I don't know. Not too much. Maybe spread operator's good. Take care of yourself and your fam. Man, I try to. See, is this my boyfriend? Oh, this is my brother from another mother. Known him since I was like 11. We tried to dig an entire tunnel system in my backyard. We were amazing. We were gonna be engineers. Then I became an engineer, and he learned how to shoot guns. Now we do neither. Now he's a firefighter, he's staff sergeant, and I'm a high staff sergeant. He hates that. He hates that because he has junior Marines, and they're like I staff sergeant, and so sometimes I'll say that to him, and he's like, "Shh, STFU, Josh," and I'm like, "I staff sergeant." He hates that. Will you shed a tear when you reach 100? I mean, if you haven't thought, I haven't already. Corey gets it. 120 versus 90K. 100K by the morning? Yeah, I don't know about any of that. Corporate Cringe does good. I've roasted... so I roasted Trilogy, and I didn't understand... normally I do 3-4 draft edits before I release, but I only did 1.5. And then I released it, and then I watched it, and I was like, holy crap, I went all in on Trilogy in this video. This is not Corporate Cringe, but what's cringe is when people are like, look at my certificate. It's by University of Washington. It's not. It's not, bro. This cringe, dogs. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. I think I'm being recruited. Setup tour eventually? Probably. Wire 93? Yeah, it's crazy. Spread operator sounds like that'd be a great adult movie. Got that bachelor of software engineering, 20 years of experience. Oh, nice, dude. When did you lose interest? What time is it? 7:41. Dog scared you? Guys, the dog scared me. Someone came to the door. I don't know what they're selling today. Brandon, go take care of it. Probably trying to get recruited.
It was Brain's home security guy. He's like, hey, yeah, I saw you want a fancy doorbell, like the Ring one you can get from the video and stuff. And I was like, I don't live here, and he's kind of busy.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
You ever take calls from people? Yeah, I do. Someone can't, like, dude, but, like, the thing is, like, hi, I'm from, people come to my door and they're like, hey, I'm from home security. Do you have home security? I'm like, who wants to know? Why should I tell you if I have a home security? You see this Rottweiler, and it's, well, you can't see the 9mm, but you see the Rottweiler? Who wants to know what kind of security I got? Like, why would you ask that? That's not how you sell security door to door. Sorry. Look at the bootcamp my university offers. Yeah, all universities that have boot camps are Trilogy, and it's a joke. It's you're all getting bamboozled because you're like, oh well, it's not good. What's the best starter programming language? HTML, CSS3, JavaScript, and Python are the go-to. Are you guys in a relationship? We're in a bromance. That's correct. Yeah, correct wording. Okay. Can you say hola, Roberto? What up, dude? Oh, I'm with the girlfriend trying to impress her. Roberto's female amiga. Hola. I forgot female. What is girlfriend in Spanish? He looked over here like, what'd you say? Started off, Travis. What music? I'm listening to, what is this? Metal right now? We can't see the screen. I don't know. I started losing like faith in engineering when like I started to have to go to meetings just to go to meetings, and it just didn't work. If you need a job now, look into oil. They're hiring. If you need a job now, just do Lyft or Uber or Rover or any number of things to generate side income. Thanks, bro, dude. I got you. Why does everyone talk about web and not embedded coding? Well, I mean, YouTube actually kind of banned hacking videos recently, so on that, you know. Oh, Mohair. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. You got it, Jack. How did I forget that? I played too much Pub Mobile to forget that. How'd we forget that? How'd you not know girlfriend in Spanish?
That's a good question.
We play so much Pub Mobile.
I wanted to say senorita, but like, no.
The meeting for the meeting kills me. Dude, yeah. So engineering is meeting for meetings, Excel sheets for Excel sheets, gargling your manager's nuts because that's how you get raises. I don't know. Well, I mean, like, do you deserve a raise based off merit, or because, you know, this other dude took me to play golf and you didn't took me to play golf? Yeah, I don't know. Novia's girlfriend. Okay, I got you. I'm just very anti-corporate. I'm anti-corporate culture. I'm anti-software culture. I thought I wanted all of those things. I thought I wanted all of them. I thought I wanted to be an engineer for a safe career. I thought I wanted to be a programmer because I could work remote and have all these cool perks, but little do you know, no one can ever use the cool perks because then you're lazy and you're the guy that's slacking. They're just there for the application process and to make the company look cool and marketable, I guess. And I don't know. I just thought I wanted all that stuff, and then I ended up wanting to make videos on the internet, I guess. And now occasionally people will click on the ads and throw donos. So I'm very appreciative for that. Who do you support in 2020? Probably the meteor that's supposed to hit Earth. Just end it. 2020. That's the motto. Just end it already. Oh man, Josh is 100% right. Yeah, man, it's not about what you know. It's not about doing work based on merit. Dude, I work with and now they hate Excel. The hotness is Tableau. Yeah. Fight me. All right, dude. Wanna play some Pavlov? I think we can VR punch each other. Trying to figure out how to get out. Well, that's exactly what I did. I was sitting at lunch outside. So we weren't allowed to leave the building without badging out. So we were allowed to go outside and eat lunch at my engineer job, but you were caged in like a bird. You couldn't get out. So you could go outside and sit at these little tables like they have at fast food restaurants, but you couldn't leave because you were caged in. The only way to get in and out of the property was to badge in and out, which means you had to go back inside. It was a joke. You still code for money though, side hustle? No, I don't code for money. I code when I need to. I don't like to sell my time. I don't sell hours. I think selling hours is bad. You're actually limited. The only way to make more money if you do hourly is to charge more hourly, but then you're still capped at how many hours in a week? 168 hours in a week. So I don't sell time. I sell projects. I build things occasionally. What's he playing? He's playing Infection on Halo 5. Can you talk more about remote dev jobs? Is that bad? Remote dev jobs are great, but I didn't, they ran out of money, and they're like, bye, Josh, and everyone else on the team. I showed it. I just wanted to say good stuff. Mike, happy to have you. Thanks. I hope you're okay. Meteor 2020. Thank you for the support. Cybersecurity is up and coming. Yeah, it's great. Cybersecurity is good, but cybersecurity has like web dev inside of it, I don't know what it's called. What are you drinking? This is Diet Pepsi. Yikes, I know. Norway, Sweden are very good. Yeah, Norway and Sweden, you get like 35 days mandatory vacation. Like, you have to take it by law. His friend's legs hasn't stopped moving the entire time. He's too nervous. I think now he's going to be super still. Thanks for pointing that out, Lance. Upload schedule every day. Bro, it's 2037. The name is Asteroid is Adolphus. Okay, got you. What front end devs do? What they do? What that mouth do? That's so funny. I mean, they do HTML, CSS, and React. I don't know why it's so funny to me. DU 420? No, I don't. I'm straight edge. I guess. Would you do a video on finding a girlfriend while working in the IT industry? Is that a serious question? Lance, I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. What do you expect? You sure that's Diet Pepsi? Can we make this a thing? Yeah, dude, we'll make it a thing. Meteor 2020. Just ended already. That's the motto. Can you do a video of how to work in fast food industry? Yeah, you call up and you're like, hey, the manager told me to call yesterday about getting the job, but they said that the person wasn't there to hire me, but you told me you had a job lined up. That's what you do. You just call in saying, I had a job lined up, but they told me to call back today. And they're like, who are you again? You're like, I'm Josh. I called and they told me to call back and the job was there and they wanted me to come fill the paperwork, but you never did any of that. Then you just go do it. Boom. Would you consider joining a bootcamp if you're still learning after 50 months? It depends. Do you feel like, what are you doing? I don't know, Lance. I'm not sure. Do you ever think of applying to FANG? I don't want to work for Google. I don't want to work for Netflix, Amazon, Facebook. I don't want to work for any company. I don't want to work for you or your parents or Google or Netflix or anybody. I don't want to work for anybody. I work for Josh Corp. And I'll work with you. I'll partner with you, but I will never be under you. If I'm going to work quote for, I want to be the boss. I don't want to climb the corporate ladder. I want to own the corporate ladder. You guys can climb it. I'll make my own ladder. You guys can climb it, but I'm going to own it. That's me. That's me in a nutshell, okay? Like, I did it. I put my time in. I learned how to code. I had a bunch of jobs. I'm good. I don't want to work for anyone else but Josh Corp now. Would you recommend free code camp? Yeah. Suspicion Racing, thanks for your help. Josh, hey, thanks, man. Turning my life around. Dude, you got this. Are you streaming on OBS? I sure am. You couldn't offer me any salary, or maybe if you offered me like $3 million, I would show up one day. But I don't even think I'd show up. It'd have to be remote. No. You would have to pay me like $3 million, and I would have to have absolutely no responsibilities and no hours to work. And then I'd take that passive income. When you say do not sell time, what should we focus on selling? You sell project based. That's what you sell. So if you have a project, you don't say, all right, well, it's going to be $30 an hour until I get it done. This does a couple things. This messes with you because if you charge $500 for a project and you know you can get it done in 10 minutes, you just made $500 in 10 minutes. Whereas if it's hourly and you're charging $10 an hour, you're going to have to work a lot of hours to get that $500. It's going to make you work slower because you want more money, and the customer knows that. Whereas if you go over, if you're late on the project, the customer's like, well, we already paid you, so get it done. They don't end up paying you more money. That's you don't sell time. Don't sell hourly. You sell project based, and then you get it done as fast as you can. Josh Corp is only YouTube. No, Josh Corp is more than YouTube. Josh Corp is grindreel.com. Josh Corp is sponsorships. Josh Corp is merch. Josh Corp is affiliates. Josh Corp is resume reviews. Josh Corp is Patreon. Josh Corp is grindreel.com with my products. Josh Corp is a lot of different things. Would you take 20K? What are you talking about? How long were you making videos, gaining large popularity? I've made over 500 videos, and I'd probably say 10 of my 500 videos have really gotten me where I'm at. So let's just say I've failed at over 500 videos. That's a lot of failure. And then before that, I failed like 6 to 7 other businesses. What if we want to work under Josh Corp? So the only way I would let people work for me is if it was a temporary. It'd have to be temporary because I refuse to let someone work and depend on me because I want you to be self-sufficient and never have to depend on anyone. That is my motto. Never have to depend on anyone. Never give anyone else financial power over you. Don't let them be like, well, if you don't work 100 hours, we're just going to have to let you go. Don't give someone that power over you. Be self-sufficient. Do it yourself if you can. Go work for somebody, learn some skills, solve a problem, and do it yourself. That's the motto.
When's the movie?
It's at 9, 8:45. Okay. So I'm going to go make this pizza, guys. I'm going to roll this dough out, get this bread, literally and figuratively. Thank you for all the bread that has been donated already today. Do you plan on doing transparency video for Josh Corp? I do transparency videos all the time. Like I shared my income earlier. Just YouTube income was $7,311, I think it was, this month. Not sustainable, probably. I probably don't make that every month. This is the first time I was making $1,200 a month forever until now. Oh, man. Josh Corp collab with Yomatech. Yomatech gave me a big middle finger. I said, hey, man, I sent you an email over a year ago and you ghosted me. Do you want to collab now that you've noticed my video? And then he said, nah, man, but go ahead and roast my video. And I was like, great bait, mate. If I roast you, you'll send your 500 million people after me. So I'm good. Thanks, though. Twitch stream the pizza? Nah, man. We gotta go see Spider-Man. So, what's up, cutie? How's it going? I try to be as transparent as possible. I want to show how much I'm making every month, and I want to show that it's possible because I didn't think you see people like me. I would be watching people like me, I guess, and be like, well, how do they do this? How do they do it? Well, I want to show you how to do it because I didn't think it's possible, ever. Who is Josh Corp? Josh Corp is just a joke. It's Grindreel LLC. That's my business. It's an S Corp actually, but I can't answer that question, Lance. No politics, bro. You're in a good mood today. Are not you? I mean, it's Friday. I'm doing okay. Hope you guys are doing okay. Josh, you look very tired. You should take some rest. I think it's the saturation on my camera making my face look red. It's against the YouTube rules to post income. No, it's against YouTube rules to post CPM, like click payments per click and stuff like that. But you can show your net income. Plenty of people do that. You just can't show. How much do you make in a month, by the way? Oh man, this month will probably be like 20K. It's crazy, but you know, all that goes to my dad and paying bills and living and paying my business expenses and all that stuff and whatever. So, you know, it sounds like a lot, but it goes when you have a business. And you got to pay taxes on that too. So the more you make, the more you pay. CS degree worth? No. Lance, you finna get banned. Yeah, I don't know. I let the trolls just troll because why not, you know? Why to your dad? I support my dad. If you believe that Josh is a socialist, you need to rethink your life choices. I like capitalism. I don't mind it. But I've lived in Finland, which is basically socialist, so I know what it's like. I went to college for free. I paid a bunch of taxes. Now I have no health care. So, you know, yeah, I make money, but if I get sick, rip everything I have. So, you know, my dad got laid off, and so I support my dad. I pay my dad's rent, all his bills, food, everything. And he does YouTube, and I'm teaching him how to do YouTube. So he makes no money right now on YouTube, and he's trying his hardest because he got laid off. I live in Finland. Tervetuloa. Dude, what's up, bro? Tervetuloa. Stream main. Happy to have you. Ketos. Finland is not socialist. Finland is not socialist technically, but if you look at their taxes and stuff, they're pretty socialist. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat some food and watch Spider-Man. You guys have a great Friday night. Thank you for all the donos and you know, appreciative for everything. And I'll see you guys later. Brandon, can you salute the stream, please? Yeah, 45, right? 45 degrees. Am I doing this right?
Yeah, sure.
What? Come on.
Yeah, like that.
I know, right? Like you put on an eyebrow,
Mm-hmm.
right? Then you come down.
You do that at 45.
45, yeah. It's 45. Oh, the hand is that? I thought it was
Yeah.
the arm. 45 like this, like downward.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.
Sure, basically.
I didn't know.
There you go. Good to know. Because now it's powered.
Okay, let's go cook our fucking food.
I kept thinking it was 8 o'clock instead of 8:45 for the movie. I was like,
Dude, that was insane.
what?
The donos,
How much did you get?
$400.
Jesus. Everyone's like, hey, well,
No, not $400. It was less than that, but.
he
Someone-
donated.
someone-
Someone
at
donated
least-
69.69.
Here,
I'm like one of your French girls.
I'll show you.
They donated 666.
Hold on.